kitchen while you smoke outside. You're careful not to let the smoke inside. I always tell you it's poison.
How may I help you?
Right, my name is Henry.
Okay.
Mr. Santi's first son. I'm here to see my stepmother.
You mean what, Mr. Santi's first son?
Yeah, came from the United States. I'm to see my stepmother.
So how did you get to know her, yeah?
First of all, who are you?
Who am I?
Who are you?
I'm your stepmother's husband.
My stepmother had a boyfriend or a husband?
Or husband to be.
Wow. Okay, by the way, you know what? I'm not here for that right now. I just want to make sure that I see my dad's properties, everything in the rooms. How many rooms you got over here?
You got like 7 bedrooms here.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know you and you don't know me. This is our first time meeting.
Okay.
So I'm not sure I can just allow you here. And besides, your stepmother is in a critical condition, so you can't see her.
Why not?
Why
That's
not?
my stepmother. So first of all, who are you again?
So what am I? I just told you, bro. So why are you trying to?
You can't just cross my path like that, you know, feel me? Because my dad mentioned everything about this house to me, that come down here in Ghana, make sure everything is going good. So what the fuck you telling me that I can't see my stepmother?
No, why do you have to use the F word for me? You know me from nowhere.
I don't fucking know who you are. You want to know what my real character on me right now? I'm not sure what's something right there.
No, let
me see my stepmother right now.
Listen.
Listen, I don't get shit. Let me see my stepmother
This
right now.
I just told you.
We gotta continue right. Let me see my grandma right now. Let me see my stepmom right now.
No, bro. Hold it.
First, who the fuck are you, bro?
No, who the fuck the hell
You
are
guys
you?
are family, bro?
Do you know how I got your stepmom? Who's to be my wife in future, yeah?
I think we're fucked. I know my stepmom is married, my father.
And your dad is dead, yeah?
My dad is dead, so what? And so what?
So I don't know you, bro.
Well, I heard about you already, but we're not right now. Just let me see what you got in the room. Let me see all the rooms, how many people live over here, and I'll touch their asses. Because you are out the picture right now.
Bro.
Because I heard about you that you are an eater. You
talking
are
about
a trickster. I just want to see my stepmom right now and talk to her ass because you are a trickster.
You dizzy, man.
What the fuck you?
Yo, man, you're crazy, bro.
Listen, bro.
No.
I know you're a freaking trickster right
Yeah,
now. Who is here? Anybody in the house?
Yeah, man.
Yo, what's up, my brother?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up, man?
What the fuck is going on here? I've seen you in the camera with my dad before.
Yeah, I see you so before, so you know me.
I do know you, bro.
Yeah, okay.
What's going on in the house, bro?
Yeah, this is your room.
My room?
Yeah.
What the fuck guy was talking like that bullshit, right?
Masa, come here.
I'm gonna cut his head up right now. What the fuck is that motherfucker doing?
Carry him.
No, I don't know this guy.
Blah. Papa Banabang.
No. This is my house.
This is your house.
This is my fucking house.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody trust my papa.
So,
like, you know what?
Now, so relax. This is your house. You are come like home.
Show my room, motherfucker. Let me go take a nap. Show my fucking room.
This is your room. What is your bag?
Right there, bro. Look at my bag. Come on, hurry up.
Okay.
Come my bag. Come on, get out of here, bro. Take my shit. Come on.
Okay.
What the fuck?
So relax. You okay? Relax. This is Kumasi. You are coming. You are back home.
Listen, I don't give a fuck. I'm on that property. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show all the rules. My fiano. That's for me. You understand? That motherfucker ain't gonna leave.
Yeah.
He gonna leave.
Yeah, you gonna leave.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Get my room,
Yeah,
you fuck my room. Come on, show my room.
This is your room.
Right now, go.
This
Go
is
show my room.
I said this is your room.
Alright, let me leave.
Masa.
Take my room.
This is your room.
Bro, don't fucking play my fucking with me.
Get
my room. Get my room.
This is your room. This is your room.
Listen, don't fucking play me. Alright, this is my father's house. And I'm responsible for this house.
You American.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Don't fucking blow how my fucking at home. Show my fucking room. I don't fucking know my mom. I know my auntie. My stepmother right here, she's sick. I'm here for my dad's property. So get your ass, check my room, let me take a nap. I'm tired. Where y'all go?
Oh, get out here, Stunna.
Okay. And then they are saying about.
Okay.
No one man listen, no one man guy be here about. Na guy ne kasa mu na for America na here na ba. O say okun no way Mr. Santi.
Oh.
Ne papa no no. Na o say a friend Dr. Kennedy.
I'm not Kennedy.
I didn't say Henry so Dr. Kennedy.
Sir.
Na him me dey me Kennedy Henry me dey me.
Me Krubana.
They will see kasa ye, you know, but my wife so bad. It's because I'm better talk life when I wait there. They talk and I'm not there.
One day, make no cry, yes, no. The road for no or come into me grand cabin.
What's say, Chichina or show? And I'm saying there be all critical condition where wine. I didn't say jumping into somebody's house, no, because how dare me on any papa properties were back, none papa man address.
That's why our bag a fine pa.
Now only my swagger the Ben. Or Ben one say, oh, this guy I know him. I know swagger. Like on a casada.
Video qua my swagger on a casa. So on a boy with fias and swagger anymore.
Hey, now the guy with the young one. Me sure the Missu say Ebia Wunya H1. Anna, and who condition to walk off will be say on me to say papa because Ghana debate me cast our London, America, and here, whatever. Because I sent me for Kim Holland boy, any. It's your main in down.
Maybe you can't. What's the fake here?
Send me fake landing accent and anyone.
Put me fake. One now come on your machine. I so bet me a fake here.
Oh, Debbie, any day way back on. Or your cocoa, like what Jim Kakra.
They see an ancastor, they answer me, me, like me who know. I know, sir, or papa, we are no crying one back. Or this kind of Sunday and I'm here, BBR. Na video call into me no no na yakasa.
What say bia say wa macho kakra. Kasa
say bro from wa kan won sheda nti. Me yenti o papa ti asakra me de na me ntimi sheda. Ene ni nkomo sa.
Mama.
Aya kentina wo ho wusu. Dia nko na ha wa ba. No wa se kentina wo ho wusu. Na wa ba ma.
Dia koso na ya na ha me ho.
Aha wo na ekoso anka wo nua no be fi.
Ase wo yo banti ase nsem na ye wo hinti. Nti ana wo pese wo beti nsem bi. But me ha me dia ekoso me ha na ye me ya. Se na nakua ma na ho kwan ma sa no ma wi nyina etoto no. Ma kwa akoto no. Ko no ne ho ye de ye bataja enye sa. Ni frande sa isi a wo hu hwe bibia disemia me koyi man koto be ma no mum de ana wo su fa we ma me fa we ma sa nti de esi bia no kore ntro bi enim na de ka ho ne se o ka kire me se me mpa wo chew e ma no ene se de na ye ko ho no se de ni kunu no ka se doctor se
enye ni kunu ka se de ne mpna na memfa akua ma wade memfa ne ma branche na wade
ma me ye ma me ka ma se de ne mpna no kai se doctor se onna kakrema ne nsore de ben no e o si na enokre na enokre se doctor se onna for some time ma ni mpi
ka doctor se enokre na wonna no da na ye de na ni ne te ye na aye gwo na ehwe wono na aye gwo na o de sha wono
nti sa no ka kire me se me pa o chema e ma no na de course bi anso wote ye na ebi ase ni kunu kakasa bi anye da me pa cho ma ti de ho no
no kura na me mpeti me de o kan ye no eti na me se na doctor say edi wadi su na waje no ye tufu na wonte no kwa anti ade eno no wa ko fa de wo pe fofola de ekoso de ayewo a wodi si wo no na nka minim se ne wo su kwa ko pe bia be ka de wanya ho se wo de wo ko fa de o sa be wie wa brabo wo ko fa de o be sa wie wa brabo aka ho ahoda sa so de yin oba ne ho ya ne de ahoda sa no ene de yin adai ade na be ma be ye wo nyame adom papa iko onya se me ka se e me de se nyame na akunu wo de nyame adom woni netie ofiri mu anya wa bro hwe de nti se ode ama wo eti wo presa age de yin eni o
woni se wabetino fi ha wa make a wi na wada no me de mitimi pio mitimi pie betna metita wona ma no so de call asesam ho no de call ere abesenti se minim se so aga na e best friend se pantan se di
ani ka chere se ma so
no me akua
ado ba na ye bibia na
dabi agenda boy ndi me de ye no so de ye me no amam suru
wo ye me ba o me kunu ba no
so my step mom and I'm say dabi wo ye me gina me ka say my wife to be honest what the fuck am I trying to do if do I pull the trigger on me and so wait yo
wo chokra ma ne papa
na so papa so
Oh, Mr.
And you each one I was up.
Debbie, ya me banner. Oh, ya me banner. Oh, Castle of America,
America, yes.
Oh, no, I'm a banner.
Eh, but it's an over. Debbie, okay, you should
say, me crew, you know. Papa, you know, want to be my. The last time when we didn't come, my uncle said, you know, my living friend, or catch them so a Panama quatreno, or a pananaso, or catch down or catch them in the anything I'm what ban one, shut down, can't you say, me bad that say, and I said, me bad that say. And to Miss Row, catch them, say, my sorry, but no man, no my dreams, no matter. No, I'm writing, I'm sorry, why? Stand up, Miss Row, I.
Guy there, no, before coming standing up. Yeah, you can one channel be biabo. If you are men, I'm one I made you touch you. I miss up what you each one, Miss Rono. I come in, come out the catching some money, and more PNC.
So if I say each one, and you are no more shade, each one crown, or Nimna, or Nimuno, or Nimun to Miss Row, Mammy, who know I. Miss Row, once soon about another from a car. No, me, what the fuck? This hey, that's I mean to me.
Let them in the year, I better not me, my
and actually, or Baba for once or back from now.
You're the Obana, Kauna Casnoy. Now, swagger, me nim in some swagger, Catherine.
On can you be answering? How am I there? A big crowd, boy, a doctor. Why, doctor, you bet me up a woman in no be a play bit my first one. Met me on San Juan, shit. I read them that was so would never come inside. Mr. Mammy will know.
Oh, I don't worry. I know what to do.
Okay.
Hey, you're queer.
I go fire the end is out this one. I can't. Then yes, a waka kana. Can you dear Mitty? If you say coco, I am a banano. And no, I am a can. When you go now, your papa near Junction. Intino, Mako, Meno, Beboa 9, near Co. And a petutu to Yaquaco, Marco Henadi would move was a wobiano. Menguno, Menam Wono, Mena me soon to a cheer. Into me qua, dear Wumbiano, said ye soon to an answer, home never catch them. Menguno, so was some pepper dinner farm and then never fat. So was some dinner compy bomb, then never caught. So some dinner cop baby or some dinner quam and then never caught. Not dear Wumbiano, a piano and water. Akoda, Ukoba, now mammy too for not soon, dear. When you see away, dear Cabby be a winter. Who are not a rubber, mammy? Oh, so me, then you're not coming up. No, queer pa. Hey, what to tune is as they say, to tune is as saying, I will tune is as I was on inside their pan and summer, then you saw adding wine. Now, what dear pan and you saw you whole crab up where you're or did you no near Sabifra? Or the way you're dying, because you say, why a sugar mammy and a dear man? And to when you be on no super D, no call. Aye, you're not saying how many. You're not saying how many. You catch out copy beach and a neck and a queen myself. Aye, should walk of Faber. A quite as I was. But then you want to come and go. Come and go da. Me, missing come and go down in a neck and get back. Come and go. Me say, hey, say me see me corner so on Tiasia now on Prenabaqua. Who do me were also call me, say me can't kind. Maybe see me. Me can't come me wa. Hey, me da. If you wait to say so casado. Me boy, yes. I will be casado. I am menopause. Oh, menopause in Tisana beba. Ati, me da na see a boy. Into a family. Anopa, waka. Anopa. No. I should then they are cassette more munti. Happen when you have it. Mamma, dear Nabaya. Me Barbara. Hey, them are tear yet. Nya fena me ko for bia some better that and I'm a bad better baby. And also so to it is a mechanic was went to baby. I also go county and on me. I'm found. Miss me, what can be seen. For all this while I took you for granted. Yeah, changing yours like that, dear. If you're my name, I come as well, dear. I took all the love you.
So now, you're right. What the fuck is my name right here? Who is it?
It's my husband to be.
I told you, man. That's my wife's mama. I don't trust this man. I don't like him. No, you don't like him. I don't like him. Can you be sure for a minute? I'm talking about that. Mama, you don't watch it before. No, you can't make me here, yeah? You have no idea who you are. Again, don't start with me. I don't even know you. Don't start right here.
Calm down.
Talk to you about who is this man?
Very good to me, please.
He ain't good.
Yeah.
What makes you think you're good?
Yeah.
I told you a fake person, yeah? Okay, no,
Motherfucker, don't start again.
No, I'm not starting, bro.
I will have to feel better. Don't even start with me right now.
I'm a coma killer.
I have to show my
Please,
step
calm
mama.
down.
Don't even go there
Calm
with me.
Do you know my killer case city record? AK Monday. You say what the fuck?
Whatever. I don't hear that. Talk to me. What's going on?
I'm feeling my own one.
Yeah.
I'm cheap.
You see your mom.
She can't see.
I can't say nothing.
Why you tell me all this when I was in the States? I was up, medical doctor. You should have told me about all this, though. What happened?
I don't know. I just do something in my room.
Can you let this man leave so we can talk one on one? I don't trust this man.
Why didn't you trust me? I'm always protecting her. You just tell me you don't trust me.
You are a trust down. You are a fucking trusther.
Don't use the word fucking for me, man.
You
know what?
No, bro.
I came for one thing.
What?
One thing. Make sure she feel better. Kick your ass out of the house. Because you don't shit in this house. You feel me? You are a trusther. You are an idiot gold digger.
You call me names?
You fucker, that's who you are.
Don't fuck up with me, bro. When you fuck up with me, you fuck with thousands of soldiers, man.
You know what? I trusted you for a second to give a little trust.
Yeah.
Making sure that you take out my mom very well for the bullshit. I'm trusting a little bit, but don't push me though.
When I push you away,
fuck you up.
It's okay, man. Make one of the down now, man.
Stunna.
No, they make all
Bra.
Me now about with them down on my one here or pit with their boss.
She did do na ya putlo.
I may say me one.
We so dwene me ho why.
Man, you know, catch us on young to us and I mean you'll be a million people.
Mr. Stunna na putlo mami.
What's going on here, mama?
I can't say nothing, no. I don't know.
You go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Which hospital you go?
I confirm watching.
What did it say? Like,
Stunna. He told everything.
Yeah, they told me everything.
Janu, what the heck you been saying?
Hey, I'm Janu, man. I see Janu.
Janu, what does that mean, dog?
Janu, I mean, keep on.
Can you leave so I can talk to you about my family, bro? Can you leave?
I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. Just talk to your mama.
Just leave.
I'm leaving, man.
Family matter. You can like fuck out. Leave now.
I'm watching.
Please calm down.
I'm watching.
Please help me.
Trust this man.
I
don't like him.
Oh, why?
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 Jimmy Papa.
Oh, please. Don't say that.
Who is
Don't
he?
say that to him.
So all this time, when my daddy passed away, you've been dating young men like my age? Why you do that?
It's a long story.
Long story?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's going on today? What's happening right now? You don't believe him?
Small.
Okay. So what do you want from me?
Please help me. Help me.
Okay. You see what we can do, you understand?
I know you are a doctor, so help me. If you help me, but I can see again.
I can help you one way if you can kick the man out of the house. Because with him here, I don't feel comfortable. He's a
No, it's time for her to eat, bro.
Shit, listen. Family matter. I think
No, she got to eat. She's on medication, bro.
But don't fucking blow my head up.
No, I'm not blowing her, bro. Why you always gonna beat me?
My shadow right now.
No, man.
Listen, let me go there.
Take my shot, man. Can you forward a girl with pop body, yeah? I'll bring my killer KCT record.
Don't mind him, please.
It's okay. It's okay.
You fucking going nowhere. Speak English. I can hear what you're saying. Cause I know you fucking playing games with my mom.
I'm not playing games with her.
So what you want to go for? She just
no, she got to take her medication, then eat.
She can eat shit right here in my face.
No, man. That's not it.
You want to kill my mama or you have an idea about mama?
No, bro. I've given that much more respect. Never disrespect me.
What about when I see your eye? You have an agenda. This is not trust me.
Stunna.
Don't trust me.
Oh, Stunna, Miss Round. Dream one can cry.
You catch your eyes to eye, man to man.
They will hear this and they went to man. Don't need
That's why they call me Stunna.
I'm gonna go to the state when I come back. You're gonna leave this house.
I'm gonna leave this house.
You're gonna leave this house.
Really? When you go, I've forgotten it will be between she and I, yeah?
Okay.
So what's your beef?
Now I know what your idea is, man. Mama, I told you about that. That man's a trickster, and he has nothing for you. He want to just kill you, take this property. And for I'm the first time my mom felt Santi, I'm gonna take my property for this property. Man. You a piece of shit.
You're shit too, man.
Call me shit?
Fuck you. You're gonna kick my ass, man.
Hey, Radhe, don't make more.
Listen, I'll take care of you.
Okay.
You have to promise me one thing.
Okay.
You're gonna kick this man out of the house.
Please, don't kill him, please.
No, I'm gonna kick his ass out of the house before I go back to the state. I'm gonna get your helper. I have a family doctors around. I'm gonna see when I'm gonna take over. You feel me?
You go with me.
I can't go with you.
Okay.
I can't, because when I go back, you know what? Let's try the couple hospitals here. Young Share hospitals. Maybe they can help.